and welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha. Hope you're having a great day. Last video with the kale chips, I said we're going to do cupcake this week. So I got some box cakes, and box cakes are generally easy by themselves. Doing it in the air fryer, easier. So I got some baking cups. I got some pans, silicone, metal, whichever one you want. The sky's the limit with doing it. It's very easy in the air fryer. Now, my daughter's turning 7. So, you know, cupcakes are great for her birthday. And we're going to decorate our Nook. So we have this little Nook in the kitchen here for her birthday. She doesn't do parties. So I'm just going to decorate it for her to cut her cake and sing happy birthday for her. But I'll show you me decorating this Nook while we're making the cupcakes. Now, the decoration did take a little bit longer than the cupcakes because, you know, the air fryer's, of course, very fast. I take my time. But let's go. Let's make some cupcake. Shoot the decoration. Okay, everyone. So the box cake, it's simple. 1 cup water or milk, 1 cup baby eggs. I like to use the milk. Now you can do this however you want. Some people add Jello pudding in it to make it richer. Some people add some flour in it to make it richer. Whatever you want, that's fine. But let's make it. So there we go. Simple, simple. All right, 3 eggs. Now, actually, I've done this without using a mixer, just using, you know, a fork and mixing it up. But today, I'll use a mixer and oil. Okay, guys, here you have it, your box cake mix. You can put essence in it and everything. I usually do that. You know, spice it up however you want. Cinnamon, whatever. Do all of that. I'm going to mix the chocolate one as well. The batters are finished. We have the vanilla box cake and we have the chocolate box cake. So I have a round pan. I've greased it or oiled it to go. I'll make 1 full cake, and then we have the cupcake pan. Now this, you can just grease it and put the batter in it, or you can use your baking sheets and put it in. Now this does not work with this air fryer. Let's go. So I'll bring out the square air fryer and put it in the pizza air fryer and put it in that one. Now this one sits on my counter all the time. I use it every day. The square one sits in a cupboard, and when I want to, I take it out. Now these are my favorite cupcake baking sheets because they stand alone. So you just take these out, put the batter in, put it in your air fryer. They're set to go. You don't have to take out a pan, oil the pan, put the batter in, put it in. It's all about efficiency and what's easy. So it's easy. It's a special lined cupcake baking sheets that you can use. Okay, so let's fill these up. So I'm going to wrap all these boxes with the gift paper. I'm going to try and create like a little throne for a princess. As always, command hooks are your friends. So I'm going to use the command hook to hang up the sign. Now I made a sign out of the same cardboard and I wrapped it in gift paper. So here I'm just going to add some pink dots on the wall. You can order pink dots from like Amazon. I also got some pom-poms to put up. I wish they were a little bit bigger, but that's okay. We'll just make it work. And of course, no party will be complete without streamers and balloons. And I'm going to finish it up with things from her room, like her dress, her dolls, her teddies, her blanket from her bed, just to complete the look. Okay, everyone. So the box cake, cupcakes, they're finished. Look at this. Look at this. So let's open it so you can see. 75 degrees at 18 minutes, right? There you go. This is the minis, and I did without the baking sheet. So these ones go for 7 minutes. Again, 275 degrees. So I tend to, you know, go slow so you can take its time because the air fryer is compact. You don't want it. So the cake. Oh, small kitchen, people. Small kitchen. All right. It's just warm. It's good. Okay, so the cake is finished. Toothpick. You can test it. So there you go. So this, because it's a little bigger, again, $2.75 for 35 minutes. And you have yourself a cake, right? So the main thing is, you know, the boxy cake is so easy. You put it in, you forget about it. Now you have your cupcakes for a party, right? So since it's a party week, so let's make them fancy, just because we can. Fancy icing available. You can just decorate it quickly, right? There you go. There you go. Right? Just for fun. I'm not a decorator, guys. I'm just, but you know. Right? So these are just the icing, the cream icing that comes in the cups, the frosting. If you want to make your own fancy royal icing, cream cheese icing, I do that sometimes as well. I think these things are sweet enough by themselves without adding more sugar. But since we're doing the party thing, why not, right? Why not? And there we go. Good. Okay, and I have sprinkles. Why do I have sprinkles for someone who don't really eat sugar? God only knows. But I have sprinkles. I think it goes with the kids. Or they go with it. It goes with the kids, yes. Now these chocolates, these I have because they go very nicely with hot chocolate, of course. Right? But there we go. Okay, everyone. So we are finished. Here's our spread. And this is so moist, guys. It's not dried or anything. It's just moist and nice. If I can show you the back of it, just soft. So it's not dried out. So yeah, so that's it. This is so my friend air fryer, box cake, cupcake. And next time, not next video, but sometime in the future we'll do one where we do it from scratch. It's the same thing with this. So I hope you enjoy the decoration. I hope you enjoy the cupcakes. Try it, tell me what you think. Just keep in mind each air fryer is different, but we did use temperature. Start slow, and then you can, you know, monitor it throughout, you know, with a toothpick, right? But yeah, these look yummy. I think I'll have to, you know, go walking around the neighborhood and hand some out because this is a lot. You don't want to encourage all